That's the start of the trail. This is probably the worst part right here. These rocks always wet. And that's it right over there. Actually, there you go. Yeah, that's the trail we just came up. And the water goes over this waterfall. There's usually something collected in it. And that's where we just came down from, off that cliff. And now we're down here on the flatter side. We're gonna go down this switchback over here, down to the valley floor. And here's the switchbacks. Just came down the mountain. And there's the valley down there. Quite steep here. Lots of rocks. So we just came down there. Lots of rocks here. Pretty cool. Nice formations. Still quite a way down. And here's the bottom. And it doesn't look like we're going to get our feet wet today. But we came up from up that way. And here we are at the bottom. Okay, so we just climbed up the flat part of the hike. And we're going to go head uphill now. Okay, we're about halfway up the mountain. And there's the old bench I used to stop by to do my yodel. And a couple of years ago, this tree took it out. Big old tree. Anyway, but this is where I stop and do my Tarzan yell. Ah! Till next year. Okay, the hike back up the mountain. A little bit of steepness. Mostly not bad. And we're going up there. Mile 2. And still headed uphill. Came back from that way. Just came up that way. We are most of the way up the mountain. Uphill stretch is about done. There's the shelter. And about 50 feet that way is the top of the mountain. It's an absolutely beautiful day again today. No rain this year. Not a cloud in the sky. Nice breeze. Perfect day for a hike. Alright, so we walked up from the shelter, which is over there, a couple feet up, and we're back on top of the mountain. And this old logging trail takes its time, but it goes all the way back to the parking lot. Nothing but flat the last part of the trail. Really flat up here. This is a little bit off the trail that we're on. This is the one that comes from the South Plateau. There's a little bit of water that comes here, and it just drops right off the cliff over there. And I've seen this where it was knee deep, but if you stepped in it, you'd just be swept right off the cliff. Let's see. Oh no, it's not that bad. Bounced a couple times. took the wrong turn, came up this path to the lodge. If you ever have a wedding up here in Huntsville, this is a good place to have the reception. Very nice place. Been there. Over here you've got a Greek theater. Just going to walk by that in just a second. But we're going to walk back to the cliff because it's more of a scenic route there. It's the back of the lodge. And this is the trail we should have taken. One of those side trails on the plateau. Got a nice little view here. We came up, we just came from that direction over there, and came around the loop. And of course it's winter, so there's no leaves. Pretty good view down the side of the mountain. We're going over that way to the parking lot. Goes out over that way. But this is a really cool feature right here. It's a Greek theater. I think they still do plays up here. Alright, so it's all part of the overlook section of the park. That nice little bridge over this water here. And there's where we started over there. And so we're going to head on back over to the parking lot over there and call it a day. Y'all take it easy.